birthday. Hello guys, welcome back. So today is a very good morning for me. Look around, it's a very pleasant day, pleasant start to the day. Since it rained heavily yesterday, it's become so beautiful. Look around. Okay, so today we are going to Mahabalipuram. Yep, today is a special occasion. It's my mom's birthday. So for my mom's birthday, we all, as a family, we all are going to a resort in Mahabalipuram. Kind of a beach. Yeah, it's a beach resort, but we don't have a beach room. But yeah, so, and before that I have one more thing to show to you. I'll just show. Before we leave, I wanted to show you these guys. Cute little guys. Hi. Hi. There are 6 of them. Hey. Where are the others? Hey. Hi. The mommy. Hi mommy. I'm leaving. Bye bye. Actually we feed them and opposite family feeds them. So if you are not there, it's not an issue. Birthday girl. Happy birthday mom. Okay, let's go. Okay, I am at TTDC Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu Tourism Hotel. It's owned by Tamil Nadu State. So a day before only my bhaiya and bhabhi has come over here. So we are not staying here today. My bhaiya and bhabhi stayed here yesterday. I'll just show you the room tour. It's right on the beach, right on the beach. I'll just show you. It's awesome. We've been here before, but not this time. This is the place. Let me go to the beach. ज़्यादा से कितना ही फंस जाएगा ये
बाल हो जाए बहुत होता है।
ये है ना पता सब ले लिया. There is something called Sculpture Park inside the hotel only. So let's see how it is. World Common Religion and poet Thiruvalluvar. Look at them, how beautiful they are. They are probably carved out of a single stone, and each and every one of them look amazing. It's a piece of art. So right after visiting the sculpture park, we came to this small cafe to have lunch. We had seafood, fish. So it was good. It was awesome. If I remember the name, I'll just put it down, but I'm not sure if I remember it. And right across the street, there was this beautiful shop, and it was like very colorful, very creative. There are many home decor items, and I know we ourselves bought few items for our home, and yeah, it was very beautiful. I'll definitely recommend you guys to come here and try it out. दादा Happy birthday! Thank you. Good evening, everyone. It's around 6 o'clock in the evening, and it's a very pleasant evening. Currently, we are heading towards the beach to just take a stroll around, walk around the beach. And luckily, the garden view chalet room which we booked is very near to the beach, unlike the pool chalet rooms. That is quite far from the beach, but this one is near the beach. It's like 2-3 minutes walk, and let's enjoy this view. Hi guys, so We just finished the evening walk in the beach, and now we are just roaming around the resort. I wanted to show you there are two infinity pools here. The one behind me is the small one. I'll show you right now, and I'll try to show you the other one, which is very big. The restaurant I just showed you, it's very beautiful. Beach view is awesome, but it's too expensive for us. So we'll be going somewhere else, mostly for dinner. Let's see. When I said the menu is costly, this is what I meant. Freaking idli is 395. Maybe they give more quantity, but I'm not sure. Idli is 400 rupees. Dosa is 400. Vada is 400. Plain rice. Papa, sada chawal, steamed rice 445 rupees. Murg biryani 800 rupees. Dosa 400 rupees has arrived. Let us see. Sambar, I guess this big for one dosa. Chutney. Dosa. किती बॉक्स आहे बॉक्सचेच अर्धे पैसे घेतले असं अरे अरे हे तर एवढूच आहे डोसा इट्स टू स्मॉल फॉर 400 रुपीज हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू हॅपी बर्थडे टू मम्मी हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू Towards a resort named Grande Bay. I hope that's how they pronounce it. But it's just near, like 5 minutes away from our resort. Since the food was too expensive in that resort, we thought just we'll have this dinner here, and we are sitting inside. But outside also sitting is there, but it's too much humid to sit outside, and they're not serving because of that, and mosquitoes and no. But here match streaming is happening. RCB match. Time to hit the bed. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow morning for a sunrise. Good night. Bye bye. It's just it's 5:45. I read that the sunrise is at 5:58. So we just woke up to see the sunrise, and it's already looking awesome. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm sitting here watching this view at 6 in the morning, watching the sunset, hearing the waves crash. This is ultimate peace. Epic. I planned to take sunrise video, but sun did rise, but it's clouds all over the place, so we are not able to see the sun. But still, it was peace. See, sun is there, but it's full clouds. We didn't even see the face of the sun yet. It's fine, as long as it's this. पुढे जायचं सरळ असं Okay, yesterday night I was trying to show you the big pool. I was yesterday because there was no light, I couldn't show. But now, let's see. I'll try to show it now. We are heading there only. By His Majesty Prince Charles.
And this guest house was built in 1957.
This was government guest house, huh?
But then 1955 Tamil Nadu Chief Minister inaugurated this.
But then the private guys bought it. Trees must have. Welcome all to India's longest swimming pool and supposedly Asia's second largest man-ring swimming pool. Nevertheless, it's one of the longest man-ring swimming pool, which is of 27,000 square feet, and it spans all over the hotel. I mean, if you see over from that bridge, it looks the same. If you view it from here, it looks the same. It spans over all the place. And the rest and the rooms which you're seeing on both the sides are the pool view chalet rooms. It's I guess 1,000 or 2,000 rupees more than the garden view chalet rooms which we are staying in right now. But this place is little far from the beach, not too much, little far. Yeah, look at this, man, amazing, mesmerizing. The pool was closed due to the COVID protocols, but I'd like to come here again just to swim in this place. Amazing. Hey Adila. Now we are all going to have breakfast. It's complimentary. I'll show you how it is. Chicken curry, chicken sausage, bacon, pork. Yeah, after having breakfast, we just came back to room and we just took some photos by the poolside. And we had too much of breakfast, so I don't think we're going to have lunch after this because we are too full. We came back, we had just had a rest for like half an hour or something. Now we are packing up and we'll be checking out. Check-in time is 3 o'clock and check-out time is 12 o'clock. So this two. Usually it's 1 or 2 hours gap, but this is 3 hours gap, but still it's fine. So you'll be thinking that we have come to Mahabalipuram, but we didn't go to any tourist places like Shore Temple and all that. But we've already been to Mahabalipuram. So generally whatever places that are there nearby Neyveli, so we've already been there multiple times, like Pondicherry, Chennai, Kadalur, Mahabalipuram, Yerkad, Kodaikanal. So all these places we have been there multiple times already. So after that, hi.
Yeah, so after that, whenever wherever we go nearby, na, so generally it's just resort. We go to resort, have some fun, like roam inside resort or just nearby. We don't go to tourist spots because we've already been there. So it's just resort scouting for us. But if you go somewhere new, then obviously we'll go to the tourist place. But yeah, that's how it's been. So currently now we'll check out, and hope you guys have liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe and comment down what you liked, what was your favorite thing about the video. Yeah, that's it then. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.